Dear students, join with me for 14th maths class. You see that, you look at the board. Here I have written a question on the board. It is 5-mark question. It is 5-mark question. You need to practice this type of 5-mark questions, because surely you people have to attend one 5-mark question of this type. Keep that in mind. Matrix A given, matrix B given, matrix C given, and it is asked to prove this quantity, to prove this one, that is A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. You observe this rule, students. You have learned this in your high school studies. It is distributive law. It is distributive law, that too right distributive law. So what is that law called? Right distributive law. It is right distributive law. Let us go for solving that. Let us go for proving that. So simple solution. First, let us find A plus B. Find A plus B. So A is 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, plus B is 0, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. We have plus between. We have plus between two matrices. What does it mean? Adding. Addition is to be performed. Addition is to be performed. Go for adding. Addition is so simple. Right. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8. Next, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 10. 7 plus 1, it is 8. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. 0 plus 0, 0. I think we found A plus B value. Now let us find A plus B into C. A plus B into C. Right? Substitute for A plus B. A plus B 0, 7, 8. Minus 5, 0, 10. 8 minus 6, 0. Into C. C. 2 minus 2, 3. We have two matrices in product form. Product, matrix into matrix. Product is there, means multiplying is required. I will go for multiplying these two. So you know the multiplication of matrices very well. First row, first column. First row, first column. 0 into 2, 0. Plus into minus, minus. 7 2s are 14. 8 3s are 24. So 24. Next, first row, first column over. We don't have one more column to multiply with the first row. That means you should go for second row. Then you go for second row. Second row, first column. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Minus 10. Plus 0. Plus 0. 10 3s are 30. 30. Third row, first column. 8 2s are 16. 16. Minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12 plus 0. Simplify this. That is 24 minus 14. 24 minus 14, it is 10. 10. 30 minus 10, 20. 16 plus 12, I think it is 28. 28. Call this as equation number 1. Now let us go for finding right side RHS AC. For that AC required. AC. So how much is A? A is 0 6 7 minus 6 0 8 7 minus 8 0. C is so 2 minus 2 3. AC multiply. Product means multiplying. First row first column. First row first column 0. First into first minus 12. 7 3s are 21. Second row first column minus 12 0 minus 12 0 plus 24 24. Third row first column 7 2s are 14 minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16 16 plus 0 plus 0. Simplify this. 21 minus 12. How much is 21 minus 12? 11 minus, it is 9. 9. 9 plus 9. 24 minus 12, 12. 16 plus 14. 30. 30. 30. We got AC. Still BC required. Still BC required. Let us find BC. 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 Let's calculate the BC. 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 B given 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. C given 2 minus 2 3. BC. Multiply that. First row first column. First row first column 0 minus 2 plus 3. So second row first column. Second row first column 2 2 0 2 0 plus 6 plus 6. Third row first column. Third row first column 2 2 minus 2 plus 0. Simplify this. 3 minus 2 1. 6 plus 2 8 0. Now let us find AC plus BC. AC plus BC. Substitute for AC. 9, 12, 30 plus 10 BC 1, 8, 0. You had both. We have plus. This is not multiplication. We have plus. Addition has to be done. Addition is to be done. 9 plus 1, 10. 10. 12 plus 8, 20. 30. So call this as equation number 2. Finally you write from 1 and 2. So A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. That means multiplication is distributive over addition. Multiplication is distributive over addition. We proved that. Let us go for one more 5-mark question. One more easiest 5-mark question. So I write that question. Right. Let us go for one more easiest question. If A equals 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. B equals 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. C equals 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. So prove that A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Right. Again, it is, you see that here it is asked to prove this. Clearly it is associative law. Matrix addition is always associative. Remember that associative law always holds good for matrix addition. Matrix multiplication is also associative. The only one rule, that is commutative law. Commutative law does not hold good for matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication is not commutative, but it is associative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative, but it is associative. But let us solve. Solving this question completely depends on addition. Some students will be confused. Some students get confusions and they solve this by using multiplication. They lose full marks. Keep that in mind. So let us go for solving. First let us find out B minus C. Solution B minus C. So here is B, 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3, minus C. What is C? 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. Subtract. We have minus C. Means subtracting has to be done. Subtraction has to be done. So 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 2. 2 minus 2. 0. 0. Next. 4 minus 0. 4. Next. 2 minus 3. Minus 1. Next, 5 minus 2, it is 3. Next, 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus into minus plus 2. Next, 3 minus 3, 0. We got B minus C. Matrix B minus C. We found matrix B minus C. Let us find this full. That is A plus B minus C. What is matrix A? You substitute. Matrix A is 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, plus B minus C. Substitute for B minus C. It is minus 1, minus 2, 0. 4 minus 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. Simplify. Your addition is required. Addition is required to done. So you need to go for adding. Addition has to be done. Plus 1 plus minus. Plus into minus minus. 1 minus 1, 0. 0. 2 plus into minus plus 2 minus 2 0. Minus 3 plus 0, it is minus 3. Next, 5 plus 4, 9. 9. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. Next, 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. We got that A plus B minus C. Next, let us find out A plus B minus C. A plus B. What is A? A 1, 2 minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1 plus B is 3 minus 1, 2. So 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. Now you go for adding these two. Addition is required. 1 plus 3, it is 4. 4. 2 plus minus 1. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Minus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. 3. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Right. Now we found A plus B. Let us go for finding A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. So A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. Substitute for A plus B. A plus B is 4, 1 minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 4. A plus B minus C is 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3. Simplify that. So we have minus. Minus means subtracting. We need to perform subtraction. Subtraction has to be done. Go for subtracting. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. Next, 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. I think we solved that. From 1 and 2, finally you write. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, you write A plus B. From 1 and 2, A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Proving is over. We proved that. So I think you understood this. Let us go for one more question. Let's go for one more question. Otherwise you do one thing. So I write some problems. See, you solve that. You solve these problems. You solve this at home. If A equals minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So B is equal to 1, 0, minus 5, 11. C is equal to 7, 0, minus 9, 12. So prove that AB into C is equal to A into BC. One more question. If A is equal to right. If A is equal to If A is equal to 0, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, minus 8, 11, minus 2. So B is equal to, so 0, minus 3, 0, 5, 2, 1, minus 7, 11, 2, minus 8. C is equal to 3, 0, minus 4. Prove that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. I hope you understood this very well. You complete on your own. You complete these things on your own at home. Thank you, students. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.